Alright, hello. Hello. Today I'm gonna make a stock, but first I have to debone the chicken. Uh, the, uh, the first step of deboning a chicken is you take off the big wings, because they get in the way of deboning everything else, so you want to get them out of the way first, and they're relatively easy to get rid of. So the first step of getting rid of a big wing is you basically have a really sharp knife and you just cut in between the breast and where the drumstick starts. And this part should be literally just cutting through skin. There shouldn't be too much resistance. And once you get through, you get like a little hole right here, right? You're literally just cutting through skin. So then you have enough leverage where you could just break it down at the bone. So let me cut a bit more until that part's revealed, and it's as easy as just breaking it off. So this part's easy. You just follow the meat and then cut around the bone that just came off. Alright, now we do the same thing for the other side. We got two of the legs down. I think I'm gonna do the wings here first because they're pretty easy to do. So I like to just bend it off. But if you're not strong enough, you could take the knife and find where the the drumstick meets the body of the chicken, and you could feel the joint here, right? All you have to do is take the bottom of your sharp knife and just put it right into the joint, and it should cut right through. I think the hardest part is finding where to cut, but I think once you find where to cut, you could stop it! Once you find where to cut, it's pretty easy, just push it through. But my favorite way of doing it is you don't even need a knife. You literally just like break it off. Oh, actually this one's pretty hard to do, so I think I'm just gonna cut it. So, alright. So the way you do the breast is you start at the I guess the middle of the top, and you pick a side. So I'm gonna do the left side, and all you do is just like gently cut your way down while following the ribs. I like doing these these like billowy motions. So one thing to note is chicken has a lot of fatty parts, right? And you may not want all of that fatty stuff in your soup, or so. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it off. I'm gonna reserve it for later, and I'm actually gonna add it back into the soup when I'm done. So I don't